Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to learn 10 Korean verbs. So, let's start. First one is the Korean translation of the verb to welcome, and that is 환영하다. 환영하다. Okay, next comes the Korean translation of the verb to fly, and that is 날다. 날다. Okay, next comes the Korean translation of the verb to swim, and that is 수영하다. 수영하다. Now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to rest, and that is 쉬다. 쉬다. Okay, now comes the Korean translation of the verb to boil, and that is 끓이다. 끓이다. Next comes the Korean translation of the verb to regret, and that is 후회하다. 후회하다. Okay, now let's see the Korean translation of the verb to change, and that is 변경하다. 변경하다. Now comes the Korean translation of the verb to win, and that is 이기다. 이기다. Next is the Korean translation of the verb to lose, and that is 지다. 지다. Now the last one is the Korean translation of the verb to remember, and that is 기억하다. 기억하다. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy Korean verbs. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.